I'm using some of the bones I found in the San Gabriel Mountains, along with yucca cordage that I've made. And I'm going to make some leaders for this. This is 14 feet of line, but I'm going to make some leaders for this. Some gouge hooks. These were made by splitting a deer leg bone in half and then splitting that in half and then making these out of it. So I've got two of these. I'm going to make a few different kinds of hooks, some line, and I'll be using this vertebrae. I'll be using a piece of this skull, and I'll be using a piece of this jawbone. I'll show you a little bit of it in progress, and I'll be using Dremel. I'm also going to take this leftover and cut it there, and using pine pitch put a piece of obsidian on here, and I'm going to make this into a fish cleaning knife. Breathing deer dust is double. No, it's not, Mama. Bobby Bouchard. It's the devil. Where's that break? Right there. So I will be able to get one hook out of this. I'll get a hook out of that. So we're looking at two hooks there. Possible treble hook there. That'd be cool. The first bone treble hook. Bone Daddy. Trivia. What's that from? What's up, Bone Daddy? Answer. Jackson Kellington. These are way too big for trout, though. Way too big. I need something smaller. Something much smaller for trout. Show you what I got here. What I got going. I'm going to try to round this. I'll get right back to you.